Welcome aboard Prompt Pilot, where smart prompts take flight and AI tools do the heavy lifting. Buckle up and stay tuned till the end. Best insights are always in the final stretch. Hit like, subscribe, and engage autopilot with that bell icon, because here, you don't guess what prompt.
5 AI tools that will transform your life in 2025. Welcome to my channel. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's here, and it's changing the way we live, work, and create. Today, I'll be showcasing 5 mind-blowing AI tools that can make your life easier, boost productivity, and spark creativity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just curious, there's something here for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips and trends. Now, let's dive in. ChatGPT by OpenAI. What it does. This AI tool is your ultimate assistant, capable of answering questions, brainstorming ideas, writing essays, and even debugging code. It's like having an expert at your fingertips. How to use? You can access ChatGPT through OpenAI's website or integrate it into apps like Slack or WhatsApp. Its versatility makes it invaluable. Benefits. Imagine saving hours on research or getting instant feedback on your projects. Canva Magic Write. What it does. Canva isn't just for design anymore. Its Magic Write feature uses AI to help you craft social media posts, captions, and even business proposals in seconds. How to use? Simply type your idea into Canva's Magic Write and watch it transform your thoughts into polished content. Benefits. No more writer's block. This tool makes content creation seamless. Runway AI. What it does. Runway AI is a cutting-edge video editing tool that uses AI to automate tedious tasks like background removal and color grading. How to use? Upload your footage, select the features you need, and let Runway AI handle the rest. Benefits. Even if you're a beginner, you can create professional quality videos. Jasper AI. What it does. Jasper AI specializes in generating high-quality copy for ads, blogs, and emails. It's perfect for marketers and content creators. How to use? Set your tone and audience preferences, and Jasper will craft tailored content for you. Benefits. Save time and deliver content that converts. DALL 3. What it does. DALL-E creates stunning visuals from text prompts. Whether you're a designer or just experimenting, this tool is a must-try. How to use? Type in your idea, like a futuristic cityscape at sunset, and watch it generate unique art. Benefits. No artistic skills, no problem. Let AI bring your ideas to life. Those were 5 incredible AI tools that can redefine how you work and create. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay innovative.